Mat number 1 plus 78 kg weight category quarter-final bout. Jyoti SSB white judogi, Uma Chauhan CRPF blue judogi.
सभी खिलाड़ी को भी नजर ध्यान देंगे। आज सिर्फ महिला वर्ग की फाइट होगी। कल प्रातः 8 बजे पुरुष वर्ग।
Next bout, mat number 1 plus 78 weight category quarter-final bout. Vaishali Pawar Maharashtra white judogi, Nutan Sharma CISF blue judogi. और इस बाउट की रेफरी है भवानी फ्रॉम गोवा.
First round win by blue side.
कुठे येऊ कॅमेरा केला ते कॅमेरा लावलेला का ते हेच कॅमेरा देईल त्याला तो उद्या नाव नको
ऐश्वर्या देव महाराष्ट्र ऐश्वर्या देव ब्लू सर ऐश्वर्या देव ब्लू सर
बा
Next bout, mat number 2 plus 78 kg quarter-final bout. Manpreet Kaur CISF white judogi, Taruna Sharma CRPF blue judogi. और इस बाउट के रेफरी है मिस्टर अखिल फ्रॉम केरला. Mat number 2, Manpreet and Taruna. Mat number 2, this is 1, this is 2. Manpreet Kaur CISF, mat number 2.
In the 11th All India Police Judo Cluster, see the back hold, the grip he is trying for the white jersey player. Max had a pure domination. Each yellow card we have seen what a fantastic move, beautiful technique by Max. The play will not be stopped until unless he is away from 2 meters. Then again they have to come to the center of the court and play. Congratulations, Max. He wins the bout. Since the start of the bout we have seen the domination very clearly. Welcome to one more bout between Saurabh and Nishant. This is the semi-final under 73 kilos category. Nishant in the blue jersey and Saurabh from BSF.
ये सेकेंड क्वार्टर फाइनल बाउट है.
An ippon can be earned by a clean throw, a pin, or by forcing an opponent to submit through a legal choke or arm lock. That is what. Oh my God. The bout won by Saurabh here.
Match number 1.
So we are watching this bout under 90 kg category. Divesh and Vikram. Divesh representing Chandigarh and Vikram from SSB. They are beautifully maintaining the distance. Neither of them were giving a chance to their opponent. See the flip, but it had to be on the back. If it is straight away, the opponent was placed on his back on the floor, it's an ippon. It would be an ippon for Vikram. So one more grip, the shoulder grip. You can see the implementation. See the power, the technique. The counter attack is not happening from Divesh. That's the warning. One yellow card awarded to Divesh now. He had to attack. It's not that every time you should be busy in your defense. Attack should also happen continuously. Will it happen? No.
Vikram, raise your hand. CRPF. Vikram. Next bout, match number 2. Ashwin and Rahul. Rahul.
We are watching the bout between Farhad and Mayank. Farhad from Jammu and Kashmir. Mayank representing CIF. Mayank in blue jersey. This is a bout under 90 kg category. It's visible both the judokos are looking very strong grip. Both are right footed. See, on the back, CIF judoko is trying to have a grip on the opponent's back, but very smart move by Farhad from Jammu and Kashmir. Wonderful. Yes. Here he had taken a flip until 20 seconds. Is it straight away ippon? So both the judokos have equal yellow cards on the scoreboard. So forcefully they are out of the mat. Repeatedly we have seen the shido, the penalties for both the judokos.
Vikram Chahar, CRPF, white judogi. Sabin Johnny Kerala, blue judogi.
Navdeep from ITBP and Mishri Ajay from CIF. So Ajay in blue jersey against his opponent Navdeep from ITBP in white jersey. See the technique. He had been holding his opponent. Out of 4 minutes is still 3 minutes 8 seconds in the hands for both the judokos.
मैच नंबर 1 पे अगला बाउट है प्लस 100 kg बॉयज क्वार्टर फाइनल बाउट है मैच नंबर 1.
So both the judokos again in action, trying to have the strong grip. See, with fraction of seconds trying to implement the technique. Will he be able to hold him 20 seconds? See, trying for the waist grip. No, they are back into the action because of the deliberate foul.
On mat number 2.
They were stopped and asked to the center of the mat.
Rahul CISF.
Again, both the judokos in action.
Aman Kumar, raise your hand. Rahul. Rahul from CISF. Mat number 2.
Oh my God. For both the judokos, we have seen the red card this time. That's the reason Navdeep is the winner. Congratulations, Navdeep. Welcome back to one more quarterfinal. Quarterfinal number 2 between Manoj from BSF and Rohan Vishnoi from Uttar Pradesh. Rohan in blue jerseys and Manoj in white. Very aggressively attacking since the beginning of the bout. Whoever wins will go to the semi-finals, and it's an yellow card for Uttar Pradesh judoko Rohan.
Telangana, we are welcoming you, madam, for the 11th All India Police Judo Cluster. Please give a big round of applause to our guests.
It's a good grip advantage for Manoj. At the moment we can see at the waist he had a beautiful grip. Wonderful technique, but it was not up to the mark. Both of them were out of the court, out of the mat. Because of that half turn, he made his opponent half turn. That's the reason 1 point has been awarded. It's not straight away ippon, it's clearly visible. Here ends the bout, and Manoj is the winner. It's quarter final number 2 in the 100 kg category between Manoj from BSF and Rohan Vishnoi from Uttar Pradesh. Here starts the bout. It's Dhyan Singh and Deepak Sharma. Dhyan Singh from SSB and Deepak Sharma from CRPF.
Vikram Chahar from CRPF.
What a technique. Yes, there is a chance. It's a half turn. Will it continue for 20 more seconds? No, it didn't, but it's a point. It's a half turn. That's the reason we have seen only 1 point, not it straight away ippon. If it is purely on the back, both the shoulder had to be placed on the mat until unless it's not a ippon. See the grip on the shoulder for Dhyan Singh. Again on the sleeve, he's been maintaining continuously the strong grip. That's the reason we have seen 1 point on the scoreboard till now. here completes the regulation time. Congratulations, Dhyan Singh.
Next bout,
Welcome back to the quarterfinal 4 of 11th All India Police Judo Cluster Championship in 100 kg category. The bout between Shibu and Sunil. Shibu from Kerala and oh, fantastic. Good flip. It's a straightaway ippon. Congratulations, Sunil from Uttar Pradesh. Just in fraction of seconds, he had won the bout. Judoka from Uttar Pradesh. That's the technique. That's the power. To the blue corner. Wow, fantastic. What a presence of mind, I can say. Immediately, he had flipped. But for 20 seconds, will he be able to? The BSF Judoko. See. Again, the action begins here. Down to 57 seconds out of 4 minutes. What a fantastic approach by both the judokos. This is a semi-final bout under 90 kgs category. Very passive movements we have seen from Krishnan. That's what two Shiros in this bout. This time, oh, it's a straightaway ippon because of the falls committed by Krishnan Kumar. 3 falls deliberately. Congratulations, Navdeep. To one more semi-final in the 100 kg category between Vishal from CIF and Manoj from BSF. Manoj in blue corner and Vishal in white. We have already seen the previous bouts. This is the semi-final. Both the judokos known their each other's strengths and weaknesses. He had to counter attack. Oh, off balance we have seen from Manoj, but that advantage was not taken by Vishal. But still, with a strong grip, both the judokos had been trying. Yes, beautiful point had been taken by Vishal. He had kept his opponent on his back until 20 seconds. He can been able to hold. That's the reason he had a point in his account. And one more time, the counter attacks or the attacks were not happening. That's the reason referee awarded. Once again, aggressive approach by Manoj. One more half point. One more half point. Wazari could be awarded to Vishal. Vishal wins this bout. Congratulations. In this semi-final in the 100 kg category, we have seen Vishal winning this bout. Very crucial for all these judokos to enter the finals. It's Himanshu in the white corner and Ajay in blue corner. What a fantastic move it is. Will he be able to hold for 20 seconds? So obviously the coach is going to the video referral. He is appealing. This is about under 60 category. See how much distance they have been bent and maintaining the footwork. See the grip once again. Beautiful. But Is there any point? See the fraction of second, the counter attack made by Himanshu. This is a bronze medal match. It's very important for both the judokos. Oh, see the quick reflexes from Himanshu and Ajay holding for 20 seconds. He is trying to release his leg from the grip of Himanshu, but it didn't happen. It's a deliberate fall. Yes, we have been witnessing the aggressive approach for pushing or pulling deliberately. See the strong grip by Himanshu, but the distance is well maintained by both the judokos and the footwork very impressive. See the balance. Oh, wonderful. Straight away up on to Himanshu. What a brilliant technique. Fantastic. Straight away win to Himanshu. What a sporting spirit. A warm welcome to the bronze medal bout under 66 kg category between Ankur from CRPF and Vishal from Uttar Pradesh. Ankur in white corner and Vishal in blue. See the grip, the strength. Oh, what a fantastic technique he used, Vishal, but it didn't work. Very well balanced by Ankur from CRPF. Still, there is 2 minutes 10 seconds in the hands of both the judokos. Nil all score on the board. So far, nil all. Just waiting for the moment. Yes! Vishal tried to flip Ankur, but in return, he is in the trouble now. See, at the waist, Vishal is trying to have a grip with the waistband and nothing is working out. Well grounded. He locked his knee. Once again, he is implementing the technique, but very well balanced by Ankur. See, this is for the twice the skill implemented by Vishal. No, it's not a point. Again, back into action. After the video referral, nil all score again on the board. Little upset. Definitely, Vishal will be disappointed. Otherwise, it could be a winning moment for him. The opponent was not fully landed or half landed. So, one more lifeline for both the judokos. Again, play continues at the center of the mat. See, one more time Vishal implementing the same technique, but it is not working out for him. It's almost 3 minutes on the timeline. So, for fraction of seconds distraction for the judokos here, again Vishal tried to implement a technique, but it didn't work out. A lot of stamina, the strength, the power, the skill, the technique, everything matters at this point of stage. It's a bronze medal bout. Finally, Vishal is the winner. Finally, Vishal, his efforts has been successful. Congratulations. Welcome to the final bout in the under 66 kg category between Mahesh Inder from BSF and Shivam K from BSF. Both the judokos knew each other's game individually. So under 4 minutes, they have to quickly take a point. Otherwise, the boat will be moved on to the golden score. But simultaneously, the judokos had to counter attack. The aggressive attack should be seen. Otherwise, they will be penalized with the shidos. See the skill very effortlessly. Just fraction of seconds on the board. See again on himself he had landed on the mat, but the grip is at most important aspect here. With that off balance, he could not had. See, because of the time he had dragged it, he had got awarded. Oh, each judoko had been awarded shidos. Here ends the match, and Mahesh is the winner.